Check. Van back or car trunk? Check. Music and enough vibes? Check and check. Sanjay hit up Exodus Tailgate.
It's the carnival cool effect like no other. Tailgate.
Drop up the other tailgaters. We are real bad man, them a camouflage.
So you are here with Shanti Marie Samba. I am a trainee in Jamaica.
Can you introduce the show for me?
I am. You stopped me. Anyways.
What's the name of the party?
Tailgates.
Welcome to Tailgate.
Welcome to Tailgate with Shanti.
Loving it, but not prepared.
And where are you from?
Germany.
What are you looking forward to most about this carnival week?
Dancing and just music and
And right now we're here with Lila Nicole, who designed one of the Exodus outfits. Lila, what was the inspiration behind your design?
So for this concept, they wanted something funky, electronic, and very bright, and that's what I did.
See when it's about into the light and your body looking right. No constellation. Ladies, if you're here with your best friend, I know man can.
DJ Rocksteady.
yes.
How you get that name?
I come from Jamaica.
Yes.
Yes.
How did you start DJing?
It's been 10 years. I just love music.
And how did you get connected with the whole Exodus team?
From playing mass. And then once I started DJing, they brought me on the team.
Wagwan Tailgate, how's it going?
Oh, we have so much fun. Very good, thank you.
Tell me your favorite thing about carnival season.
Everything, just how colorful it is, the people, the vibes, Jamaica overall. It's amazing.
It's soca music.
Have you 6:30? Listen, got this in them enemies are I want to see them bend a little more than that. Let me see the ladies going to be a fast one.
Carnival season is official. Tailgate was it.